Hey kids, welcome to my channel, the place where science becomes fun and full of wonder. Achoo! Oops! Did I just sneeze? Have you sneezed today? Maybe when you smelled some flowers, or when dust tickled your nose. Well, today we're going to explore the amazing science of sneezing. Why do we sneeze? What happens inside our body when it happens? And did you know sneezes are super fast, almost like rocket ships? Let's find out. What is a sneeze? A sneeze is like your nose's superhero power. When something bothers your nose like dust, pepper, pollen, or even a tiny germ, your body goes, nope. You are not staying in here, and it blasts the intruder out with a big sneeze. It's your body's way of keeping your lungs clean and safe. Imagine your nose as a gatekeeper of your body. It makes sure only fresh air gets in. How does sneezing work? When your nose detects something annoying, tiny sensors send a signal to your brain. Your brain quickly says, prepare for blast off. Your chest muscles tighten, your lungs fill with air, and in less than a second, boom, all that air rushes out at super speed, carrying the dust or germs away. And here is the crazy part, sneezes can shoot out air at up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. Can you guess how far a sneeze can travel? Up to 30 feet away. That's like sneezing across an entire classroom. Fun facts about sneezing. Now here is the fun part. Sneezing is full of weird and funny science facts. Fact 1. Some people sneeze when they look at the sun. It's called the photic sneeze reflex. Around 1 in 3 people have it. Fact 2. Did you know your heart doesn't actually stop when you sneeze? Many people think so, but what really happens is your chest tightens, and it just feels like your heartbeat skips. Fact 3. You can't sneeze with your eyes open. Your body automatically makes you shut them tight. Try it next time. Fact 4. The world record for the loudest sneeze is over 110 decibels. That is as loud as a rock concert. Okay kids, let's play a quick game. Which of these things do you think can make people sneeze? 1. Pepper. 2. Tickling your nose with a feather. 3. Eating ice cream. Why sneezing is important. Sneezing might seem annoying, but it's actually really helpful. Every time you sneeze, your body is protecting you from things that don't belong inside. If we didn't sneeze, dust, pollen, and germs could get deep into our lungs and make us sick. So sneezing is like having a built-in superhero shield. But remember, always sneeze into a tissue or your elbow, not into your hands or the air. That way, you stop germs from spreading to your friends and family. So let's recap. We sneeze because our nose and brain team up to protect us from dust, germs, and other invaders. Sneezes are super fast, super strong, and super important. The next time you sneeze, don't just say achoo, say thank you, nose, for keeping you healthy. Thanks for watching kids. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing science adventures. And hey, if you have a big science question, write it in the comments, and maybe we'll make a video about it.